Despite days of cloudy skies, there was a break for stargazing with the Seestar S50. We start with IC 1795, also known as the Fish Head Nebula. It's an emission nebula in the constellation Cassiopeia, part of a region in the Milky Way rich in star-forming areas. Next is IC 63, also called the Ghost Nebula. This fascinating reflection and emission nebula is also in Cassiopeia, located about 600 light-years from Earth. The following object is IC 1848, known as the Soul Nebula. It's an impressive emission nebula in Cassiopeia, located in one of the most famous regions of the sky. Then comes IC 1491, another nebula in Cassiopeia. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a charming nickname like the previous one. It is around 6,000 to 7,000 light-years away. On the next night, we moved to IC 1805, also in Cassiopeia. It's known as the Heart Nebula, a name inspired by its shape. We stay in Cassiopeia with the Pacman Nebula NGC 281, a spectacular emission nebula. Its name comes from its shape, resembling the video game character Pacman, especially with a dark dust band that looks like a mouth. In this report, all the nebulae were from the constellation Cassiopeia. The last one was meant to be SH157, the Lobster Claw Nebula. However, it didn't show much detail, perhaps because it's too small for the S50. Here's an image of what it might look like. Greetings to everyone, wherever you are.